After viewing this portion of the video, you'll be able to identify the new fuel and emissions features of the 2001 Civic. Gasoline-powered Civics use much of the fuel and emissions technology developed for the Insight to meet tough ULEV regulations. The plastic intake manifold with its EGR distribution plate and compact 4-hole fuel injectors, 1/3 smaller than last year's Pintle type, are two examples. An electronic EGR valve supplies exhaust gas to the equal-length ports in the EGR plate through passages in the cylinder head. Fuel enters the compact injectors through a stamped and brazed fuel rail that is part of a returnless fuel system. The fuel rail incorporates a pulse damper and a quick connector for the plastic fuel line. This is the first time that plastic fuel lines and quick connectors have been used for engine fuel connections on a Honda vehicle. A special adapter will be required to connect a fuel pressure gauge to the quick connectors. The Civic's fuel pump module consists of a strainer, an electric fuel pump, a pressure regulator, a lifetime filter, and the fuel level sending unit, all housed in a specially designed reservoir. The mechanical pressure regulator keeps the fuel system pressure constant. Fuel pressure does not change in relation to intake manifold pressure. Catalytic converters have been improved on all Civics. The DX and LX models have unified exhaust manifold converter assemblies, while the EX uses an underfloor 900 cell per inch roll-formed converter that has a much greater amount of catalyst exposed to the exhaust gas than in previous models. A key element in reducing exhaust emissions is to get the catalytic converter heated up and functioning efficiently as soon as possible after startup. To provide extra exhaust heat after a cold start, the PGM-FI ECM uses the fast idle retard system. This system retards the ignition timing during the fast idle warm-up period, causing the exhaust gas temperature to rise quickly. To effectively transfer exhaust heat to the converter, lightweight exhaust manifolds are employed, and the traditional A pipe has been eliminated on the EX model. The primary pipe and the catalytic converter are now a one-piece welded unit. The lean burn HX model has adopted the Insight's NOx control method, using a double catalyst system to control HC and CO, with one oxidizing catalyst housed in the exhaust manifold and a second special catalyst to control NOx emissions. This platinum-based catalyst is designed to absorb NOx during lean operation. Periodically, the ECM richens the mixture. The resulting CO and HC allow the catalyst to convert the NOx to harmless nitrogen gas. A third oxygen sensor has been added to the outlet of the NOx catalyst, and like the EX model, the A pipe has been eliminated. This allows the PGM-FI system to monitor the performance of each catalyst separately and set individual codes for oxidizing and NOx catalyst deterioration if required. The PGM-FI ECM is now located here, behind the glove box. And for the first time on a Honda-produced vehicle, all 2001 Civic PGM-FI ECMs feature flash ROM rewritable memories. The Honda interface module communicates with the vehicle's ECM through the 16-pin data link connector. The Civic's ECM can now be updated with programming downloaded from DCS rather than replacing the ECM. Instructions for using the Honda interface module are printed on the back of the device.